Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel MNS Info Hub. Today we are going to learn one of the basic function or formula in Microsoft Excel, that is VLOOKUP. You can say here I have a table in which there are 5 columns. Column number 1 is ID, column 2 is first name, column 3 is second name, column number 4 is full name, and then column number 5 is email IDs. Okay, this is a small database. Suppose you have a very big database for a huge organizations having thousands of employees. Okay, and you have to extract data for some employees from that database. In that case, you normally use VLOOKUP. Okay, so how we use VLOOKUP, we will look. So this is my database. From this database, I have to extract relevant data for these two IDs. Okay, so suppose for ID number 105 and 106, I need their full name and their email ID. So I will extract full name and email ID for these two employees, for these two IDs from this database using VLOOKUP. Okay, how we can use VLOOKUP? First, put as equal to, then write VLOOKUP. The functions ask me to first insert the lookup value, which is 105. 105 is my VLOOKUP value, because this value I want to see in the database and get the desired data against this lookup value. Okay, then the function says select table. So I will select table from here. Okay, select this, and then through F4 log the range. So if you come down, this not scroll down. Okay, then the function says which column number from which you want full name. Okay, so in my database, you can see here, this is my database in which I have selected 4 columns as range. Column number 1 is ID, column number 2 is first name, column number 3 is second name, and column number 4 is full name. So I need full name from column 4. In this range, column 4 full name is column number 4. Okay, so I will put column index is 4. Then I will select exact match. Okay, so I will select false, and then I will close the parenthesis. Here you can see I get the full name against this ID 105 Hasnain Amjad. If you see here you can see first name is Hasnain, second name is Amjad, and full name is Hasnain Amjad. Okay, similarly I can copy here this formula, but I will show you again. We look up, my lookup value is now 106. My lookup ranges from ID to full name. I will log through use of F4. Then I will put column index 4, because in this range I want full name from column 4, column number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I need exact match, parenthesis close. Here you can see against ID number 106, the full name is Raza Ali. Okay, just like this I get full name. If I also need email IDs for these two ID, I will again use VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is my ID 105, from where I can get from this database. So column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because my email ID is in column 5. I will select the range and through the use of F4 I will log this, and then I will say from column index 5, because if you look at this database and range I have selected, there are 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I say column number 5 and I need exact match, parenthesis close. Here you can see against ID number 105, the email ID is hasnainamjad@gmail.com. ID 105, email ID is hasnainamjad@gmail.com. Okay, similarly I will use again VLOOKUP. Against this ID I need email IDs, and then column index number 5 I need exact match, parenthesis close. So I get against 106 email IDs razali@gmail.com. If I need for ID number 7 the same, then I will just copy paste the formula since the range is locked. Okay, so there is no risk that it will scroll down. If you see here, the range is fixed. Okay, similarly I control C and control V. Here I can get dilawar@gmail against ID number 107. So in this way you can use VLOOKUP. That's all. If you have any question, kindly let me know through your comments on my YouTube channel MNS Info Hub. Allah Hafiz.